Right here is your ignition switch. This one's your throttle, and back here, the red one is your battery switch. When you turn off, always turn off your battery switch. Your left joystick moving left or right will control your cabin. Pushing forward or backward will extend your main boom. Your left joystick moving left or right will control your bucket. Closing it or opening it, pulling it in, pushing it out will extend the boom forward or backward. Your bottom pedal down here is for your thumb, right next to your boom. This pedal right here will control the swing of your arm, moving it left or right depending on what you want to do. These two sticks right here controls each track, your left track forward, backward, right track forward, backward. This one right here controls your blade, which is right here in the front, bringing it up or down.